Ang ating recipe for today will not only use one type of seafood but three. I will show you how easy it is para ma-impress ang inyong loved ones sa very generous seafood serving ng ating dish. So let's start to make gourmet magic at home. Welcome back, foodies! We're here again with Chef Alex.
Hello.
Hi, Chef! Hello! So, Chef, ano itong mga three seafood na gagamitin natin?
So we have here 150 grams ng clams, 150 grams rin ng mussels, and then plastic cut 200 grams, nakat na yung chunk. And then all of these ingredients are guaranteed juicy, meaty, and savory ang lasa bawat seafood.
Para naman lumabas palalo ang seafood goodness ng ating dish, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang rendang curry sauce. So we will use Asian Home Gourmet's Indonesian Rendang Curry Sauce Paste na magbibigay ng enough spiciness at creaminess sa ating curry dish. So Chef, let's start cooking our seafood rendang in our stainless steel Chinese wok from Metro Cookware. Chef, pansin ko lang parang konti lang yung ingredients natin. So, makukuha na naman natin yung flavor natin from Asian Home Gourmet
Yes.
Spice Paste.
Very pack na kasi ng wet lang.
Spices.
Spice mix na.
Ng Asian Home Gourmet.
You just saute lemongrass, onion,
And ginger. Saute muna natin yung lemongrass.
Sabay-sabay na.
Sabay-sabay na. Mabilis lang ulit gagawin natin itong recipe.
Yeah. Habang sinusaute natin, you can turn up our
Rendang sauce. Hindi ako na mag-open nito, Chef. So itong rendang sauce natin, packed with flavors na din talaga, no, Chef? Hindi na tayo magpapakahirap para magluto ng rendang paste.
So, cut-off na yung time.
Kinat-off na natin yung time. Very quick na.
Yung
Lahat to, Chef.
yes, lahat yan.
And mga ilang minutes natin siya isusaute, Chef.
Pag nag-coat na lang,
Nag-coat na yung
sabi natin na ilagay yung seafood. And you just saute.
tapos yung fish natin, naka-cut na siya, no? Ready na talaga.
Nakapili na, pinat nga lang.
Kinat.
And then, kung na-mix na lahat ng paste, at coconut.
Coconut, yep.
And we just start to boil
Boil natin.
over high heat.
Over high. Mga ilang minutes natin to i-boil. Hindi natin naman ma-overcook yung dish natin.
So, pag nag-start na mag-boil to around mga 5 minutes, pwede na ito, low heat lang.
Low heat na natin after that. So chef, ito kumukulo na tsaka naamoy ko na dito yung mabangong rendang. Pwede na ba natin siyang kainin?
Pwede na.
Pwede na natin kaitikman, no, chef? Very quick lang natin nagawa, no, chef? Parang wala pang 30 minutes. Meron na tayong seafood rendang. Taste this.
Very aromatic.
Very aromatic na. And naalala ko yung nagpunta akong Bali. Kumain ako ng rendang. Halos kalapit yung lasa nito. Pero less the effort, di ba, chef?
Yes.
There you have it, our seafood rendang curry. Ang bango dito, guys. I'm sure amoy na amoy nyo rin yung curry sa buong bahay right now. Very simple, fast, and convenient lang talaga magluto. Dahil nga ang gamit natin ay mga packed but fresh ingredients from Asian Home Gourmet and Pacific Bay. We have other recipes for you to try, syempre gamit ang Asian Home Gourmet. So stay tuned para sa ating next recipes. Abangan ang next cooking time natin where we make gourmet magic at home.